Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Blockman Go game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blockman Go game on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account within which you wish to change your password. And after you are logged in, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, you may choose various different games that you may want to play. Now, in order to change your password, just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then scroll down and tap on security. Now within the security page, you will see the modify password option. Go ahead and tap on this and you will now be asked to enter your original password first. Just type in your password that you have set up originally within your account and then tap on the next button. You will now be asked to enter your desired new password. Go ahead and type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation. You can then tap on the done button and now your password has successfully been changed. You will then be asked to log in to the application once again in order to verify your identity by entering the new password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Blockman Go account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.